In this short video I will show you how to replace the key fob battery on Ford Focus Mk2, Fiesta, Mondeo, S-Max, C-Max, Galaxy, 2008 to 2011, in just 5 easy steps. 1. Open the key and then split it in half using a flat blade screwdriver. You can separate those two key parts using your bare hands. Two. Split the half key in half using a flat blade screwdriver or bare hands. 3. Remove the old battery from the key using your finger or the key blade. Ford Focus Mk2 uses a 3-volt CR2032 battery for the key fob, which you can find it below in the video description. Four. Attach the new battery within 1 minute, otherwise it is possible that it will desynchronize. Five. Reinstall the key. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.